Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now you just activate the geometry, right? So this is your linear grid. Okay. So for creating the new grid, you have to click on the create button. Where? On the create button. Now from here you can choose the radial grid. Yes, you can choose the radial grid and provide the name for your grid. I am tapping as radial grid, right? Okay. Now
Yes.
which plane you are going to prefer for the radial grid? XY plane or XZ plane or YZ plane?
XZ.
Okay, you can choose the XZ, right? The vertical
Yes.
axis is Y. So the grid is revolving about the Y axis. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If you choose the XY plane, the revolving axis is your Z axis.
Z axis.
Or in the last one, YZ plane, what was your revolving axis?
X axis.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now, this is your origin. Yes.
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 So, what is the start angle to start your grid? If you choose 0 degree to 360 degree, it means the grid is follow the whole circle from 0 degree to 360, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And what was the inner radius and what was the outer radius for the grid? You just choose uh, 0 radius and here you can choose the 20 radius, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The grid contain the radius of 20, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Now this is the number of base. It means the 360 angles is divided into 10 ways. Just I can show you on the paint.
Yeah. Sure.
So you can choose 0 degree, right? This is your 0 degree radius
Yes.
and from the same center point, this is your radius of 20 degree, right? And the number of ways between the is 10. It means the number of ways means the circle in between this is number 10, like this. It contains how many circles? 10 circles.
2.
Yes.
Yeah. 10.
Okay. And
Yes.
and the number of this base, like this, 1 and 2, 3, 4, is like this. It will become on this also 10 in number is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is your 8, 9, right? And 10, right?
Yes.
So this is
Right.
your linear grid. So you can go in the stat pro to see, right? This is your 8 numbers, right? Click on OK and choose your
Yes.
linear grid. This is your linear grid. So the linear grid is activated, count the circles. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many circles? 8. See, this is your 8 numbers.
Yes. Yes.
And this steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or ये 10. Right? So this is your 10 members. So
Okay.
this is your linear grid. Okay. Now you can do the modifications. Modifications like if you want to create a grid only the 0 to 60 degree, you can specify angle as 60 degree, right? And each degree is of like this on 1 degree spacing. If
Okay.
you give 6 degree spacing, it means it contain only the how much?
6.
Yes. This is your 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. Right?
Yes.
And this is your 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Right?
Right.
And now the radius 2, radius 1, you can change as the 18 degree. So this will contain like this. Only radius from 0 start from the 18 and end up to the on 20. So I need this grid.
Yes.
So I need this grid as minus 0 to minus 60 degree. Okay. Or radius from 18 to 20 and the number of bays between is 3, right?
Yes.
Or this is your provide as the 60 bays in between the steps, right?
Okay.
So this is your our required grid. So these members are 3 count.
Yeah.
And this grids are 60 degree.
Okay.
And if we define the distance between the angle between the two bays is 1 degree,
Okay.
because I give here as the 60, right? That's why. Okay or no? Understand? If you any problem up to here, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sometimes these types of grid is there,
Yeah.
and we have to zoom that grid.
Yeah.
How to zoom that grid, sir?
So you can zoom your
Zoom
grid.
command is there.
You can zoom here. This is your zoom command, right? Zoom icons. This is your
Yeah.
zoom in and
Yeah.
this is your zoom out, right?
Zoom
And
out.
this is
Okay.
your zoom extend and this is your zoom factor,
Factor. Okay.
right? And you can also
Yeah.
zoom by your mouse cursor, by your scroll wheel, like this.
Okay.
You can zoom in your linear grid also and the circular also by your mouse or by this icons.
Okay.
Any other doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, dear. Now I am going to create a member from here to here, right?
Okay.
So this is your one member, right? Now I am going to rotate on the 9 degree angle this member. If I copy this in the translation, by translation repeat, right? Which will not come on the perfect path of this grid. Yes.
Yeah.
So I am going to do a rotate command to rotate this on the 9 degree. So this is your rotate command,
Yes.
and in the geometry, this is your rotate command, right?
That's right.
Okay. So what is the angle you want to take? 9 degrees. I want to create a segment 9 degree in the starting and 9 degree on the end and 10 degree in between. So I have to cover the 58 degree angle. Okay,
Okay.
understood? Okay, I want to rotate on the 9 degree and click on the copy button and use the linked base and click on OK. So see, my member is created. Okay. Any problem in the rotate command? Any problem in the rotate command?
No, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Dinesh.
Uh, at a time, how much number of we can move that part, sir? Means object.
Rotate.
Yeah. How much part?
You can how much or how many times?
How many times? Like that?
Okay. So you can, if you can rotate once only.
Once only. Okay.
If you rotate the many times, like translation repeat,
Yeah.
so you can use a circular repeat. Okay.
Sir.
Now
Okay.
I am using the circular repeat command,
Okay.
but there is a you can choose this member as a circular repeat, right?
Right.
Activate the circular command. So which axis of rotation you will choose? What is the axis of rotation?
Z.
No, dear. This is
Why?
your XZ plane, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So rotation of axis is Y.
Why?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can choose the Y and total angle you can give as 40. And how many steps? 4.
First step.
It will cover the distance between the two laps is 10 degree, right?
Yes.
So you can use translation repeat also. Oh, sorry, link steps. So in this situation, this will again a rotation. This will also a rotation, right or not?
Yeah.
Circular
Right.
repeat is also a rotation,
Hmm.
but it will on the
Y axis.
on equal distance, on equal spacing,
Yes.
on equal spacing, right?
Right.
Hmm.
So you can click on OK. Now see, this will copy in the equal spacing on 10 degree 4 times. Yes or no?
Yes.
So you can know what is the difference between rotation and what is the difference between the circular repeat. Yes.
Yes.
Now again I am going to rotate this member on 9 degrees and use copy, link, base and OK. In the last, when this figure is complete, then I can explain you why I am rotate this on 9 degree and in the last on the 9 degree. In the starting and the end, on the end I rotate on 9 degree, right?
Yes.
and between I can take the equal spacing of 10 degree, right?
Yes.
The total angle I was covered how much?
58.
58.
Yes, very good. So now you can select the whole structure and you can do a translation repeat. In the y-axis, our number of step is 1 and the default spacing is 2 meter, right?
Right.
And click on the linked step and click on OK. This is your right. Okay.
Okay.
And now choose your beam, add beam, right? Add beam option and connect these beam members like this. And this nose also. Any confusion?
Sometimes unequal distance spacing is there, sir.
Where?
Spacing unequal.
Where you want
Uh,
to give the unequal
we,
spacing?
we have taken that 10 intervals. So
Yes.
suppose we take 10 like that, 20.
Yes. So now you can use the rotate command each time if
Okay.
the unequal spacing is there, because in the circular repeat you don't have any option to give the unequal spacing in a, like in translation repeat. Yes,
Okay.
this option is we have in the translational repeat here on the
Okay.
basis of the steps,
Okay.
but in the circular repeat we don't have any such type of options. Okay,
Okay.
now my one segment is created. Now you can apply the support also. You can go to the general, click on support and choose create a support, choose fix, click on add, fix this and choose this particular node to apply support and assign. How to assign this support I can explain later on when I covered this topic, right?
Okay.
Approximately in the next class I can explain how to assign the support and how to assign your property on your members. Okay, now you can select all the structure and again you have to go on circular repeat, choose y-axis and how many steps you can choose 6 and total angle was 360 degree. Or you don't use here as a link step, you can go without link step, click on OK. So this is your desired figure. And why I am taking the 9 degree in the end or starting? Because I have to specify the 2 degree gap in between these trusses.
Okay.
That's why I choose covered only the 58 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So understand why I am take the 9 degree distance in the start and or in end.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Any doubt to create the in circular grid or while using in circular repeat or a rotate command? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Please, can you explain again the difference between rotate command and circular repeat?
Can I explain again?
Yes, sir. The difference between circular repeat and rotate command.
Circular repeat, right? You can
Yes.
Control Z. So can I circular repeat this whole structure or other one? So
The
you can,
difference between circular repeat and the rotate command.
your voice is not clear, Maxime.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. You were explaining the difference between circular repeat and the rotate command.
Okay. So you can
I
select.
didn't get it well. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So this is your structure, right? Now you want to do circular
Okay.
repeat.
Okay.
You want to do circular repeat, right? So
Yes.
what is the angle covered by this structure? Maxime, answer. What is the total angle of this structure?
So, for the 20,
What is the total angle of this structure?
58 degree.
Total angle covered by this structure. Anyone can answer?
58 degree.
Yes. How much, Maxime?
hello?
Yes. You
Is
can
it 60?
58. 58. You can in the starting I rotate this member on the 9 degree,
Okay.
and again now I do the circular repeat 4 times on 10 degree. Yes or
Okay.
no? And in the
Yes.
end, I rotate again on the 9 degree. So add 9 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 or plus 9. How much?
9 plus
4 times 10 is 50, 40. 4 times 4,
58.
58, right?
Yes.
So,
58,
what,
yeah.
yeah, okay. So, what was the total angle of the circular? Total angle is 360, right?
Yes.
So, tell me one thing, Maxime. Tell me one thing. How many members we can create by circular repeat? Maximum numbers.
Pardon?
How many members I can create in the total in 360-degree angle?
60 angle?
6 member. Can I take 7? It is possible to
7?
take 7. Yeah.
I don't know.
No.
No idea, sir.
Okay. 7. If you take the 7, the members are merged to each other.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can choose your circular repeat here, and total angle was 360 degree. Yes or no? And this is your
Okay.
number of
Yes,
steps,
sir.
right? If you choose 7,
Okay.
as I told you, and click on OK, the members are merged to each other. See?
Huh?
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Which is not right.
Yes.
Yes or no? So you can choose
Yes,
here.
yes.
You can choose as a maximum number as. If you choose the 4, to see what is the. This is your 4 members. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And again now choose the circular repeat and give the number of step as 6. Now if you choose the link steps, what happened? All the related if I click on the link step, what will happen? All the related nodes are connected to each other.
Yes.
Yes, yes. They'll be
See,
connected to each other.
okay, let's see. Just select it, go to the translation repeat and give the number is 6 and click on the link step and click on OK. See how the structure is look like. Very confusing, right?
Yes. Yes.
That's why
Yes, yes.
you can do your smart use of link step, whether it is possible or not, right?
Yes.
Like this. So this is your
Okay.
perfect structure. Yes.
Yes.
Now understand, or can I explain more?
No, sir, it's fine. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome dear. Any other? Vibhuti, Dinesh, and Mezulang,
No, sir.
you can able to draw this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear, no problem. So now your geometry is finished.
Yes.
So now you can able to draw any type of plant or any type of geometry, right?
Right.
Yes.
As the Dinesh asked a question yesterday, how can we draw a plant, right?
Yes.
And I told you how to draw it, right?
Yes.
G plus 2, right? We can
Yes.
create a G plus 2 floor
Yes.
yesterday.
Yes.
So now what can you able to draw any plant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm giving you a certain homework.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, I put a question to all of you. This is your our boundary lines, right?
Yes.
So if I create a two rooms along the length, along the width, like this.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm talking about the stat proof, not AutoCAD.
Okay.
So this total length from here to here, it is 8 meter, right?
Yes.
8 meter means it approximately are 27 feet approximately, right?
Yes.
Because 1 meter contain 3.28
Sure.
feet,
Mm,
right or wrong?
Yes.
yes.
Okay. So can you give me the answer? What is the distance between this member to this?
4 meter.
4 meter.
4 meter.
Okay. Now this is your. I gave specify the distance. That's why you can easily told me the 8 meter, right? Now I am going to open a AutoCAD plan, right? Just to wait. So this is your plan, right?
Yes.
So you can easily seeing the dimensions very clearly. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, this is your floor plan, right?
Yes.
So in this plan, you don't have the columns positions. Okay. and you don't have the beam positions. Now, can you, who will decide where is the column is placed or where is not placed? A civil engineer?
No.
No. So who will decide?
RCC consultant.
RCC. You are not a RCC consultant.
Yeah.
Structural engineer will
So,
decide the position.
okay. You all of us are civil engineer, right?
Yes.
Or maybe you have experience.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes or no?
Yes.
So you are a student, Vibhuti, no problem. But you can learn from your batchmates. These are the experienced persons, working professionals.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now give me an answer. So you have an idea where is the columns placed? Why
Yeah.
are you studying the stato? Right. Just tell me. To
Designing.
know about the structure
Yeah. Yes.
or
Yes, sir.
to know the stability of column or a beam,
Sorry about the structure.
To know the stability of the column and beams of a
right?
structure. Yes.
So you can specify a column here on
Yes.
Yes.
first, and you can specify column here also,
Yes.
Yes.
and you can specify column here also, right?
Yes.
And the fourth column is here,
Yes.
fifth column is here,
Yes.
and the sixth column is here.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you put a column here?
No.
No.
Yes or no?
No.
The total distance from here to here is approximately 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, approximately 18 feet from here to here.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. If
Yes.
I put a directly column from here
Yes.
to here, right?
Yes.
It is the long span of 18 feet. Remember,
Yes.
and first is here, and the last one is here. Now total I put 9 columns, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. On this 9 columns, and the beam is from here to here, like you can draw like this. So this is your beam positions, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is your beam positions, accurate?
Yes. Yes.
So you can draw this figure in your stat book, not this, right or wrong?
Okay.
So
Right, sir.
tell me, what is the distance between from here to here? You can
13
calculate from
feet.
here. Just
13 feet. 13 feet.
13. No, center
how
line.
much?
We have to measure center.
From where to where? Because
Center.
this is your 4-inch wall, and this is your
Yeah.
9-inch wall. Tell me. So this distance is interior distance.
Yeah.
This is excluding your walls. So can you tell me what is the distance between here to here? Anyone? Dinesh, you are able to answer?
That's the center. You have to measure center distance.
What is the center to center distance here?
Uh, 4.5 inch plus
Okay.
13, plus 13.
Plus where which acha, this certain. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And next one,
Plus that wall, 4 inches wall,
total 4-inch or half of this 4-inch?
half of the 4 inch.
Okay. So how many of you think this answer is correct. Vibhuti? You understand what is the answer of Dinesh?
Yes.
So you are agree with the Dinesh?
I don't know.
Okay. Mazalang,
Yes.
you are agree with Dinesh?
So if it is center line method, then we have to go with the column center to center, isn't it?
Yes, Priya. Very good. Acha, one more candidate is left. Maxime. So now you have two choice, whether you are go with Dinesh or Mazel. Yeah, Maxime. Who is correct, Dinesh or Mazelang? Maxime. Okay, Mazelang and Dinesh.
Yes.
अब मुझे एक चीज बताइए. You can tell me one thing. So this is
Yes.
your 4-inch wall, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So you are drawn a beam of 4 inch.
No.
What is the size of your beam?
9-inch.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
And here
That side also
9
9
inch.
inch. 9 inches.
We are talking about the width
Yeah, wait.
here. So you can take the 4-inch middle of this 4-inch wall.
Reduce
You,
the room size. Reduce the room size.
so you are working on a room size or your beam size?
Beam size.
Your room size and your uh, position of beam is different here now
Okay,
on
okay,
this
okay.
on this
We have to take.
occasion.
We have to assume that beam is for 9 inches.
Yes,
Yes. Okay.
you are working on the beam, right?
Yeah, yeah. We
Yes.
don't have walls.
If you take a beam, this is your beam, right?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is your 9-inch beam.
9
Now
inches.
you have an
Put size.
option. If you want to draw a 4-inch wall on this beam,
Center of the beam.
this is your beam. But
Beam, yes.
you want to draw a 4-inch wall on this beam.
4 inch wall. Yes.
So you can choose from where. You have an option to take a
From
4-inch wall
Face
from
of
from
the,
the
exterior.
face of the wall, center of the beam.
yes or no?
Yes.
If you take this wall on the center of your beam,
Center also. Oh,
now
both.
it is correct. Whether you can take center of your wall, correct, and whether you take your center of your beam is also correct. But
Both are.
both are correct. But
Yes.
in this case, if you take this from here, or you can draw a wall from other side like this. In this case, the center of wall and the center of your beam is not same,
Yes, sir.
because this 4-inch remaining area is come in this room.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So you can take a distance from center of your beam to the center of your
Beam.
other beam. Now understand?
Yes.
Yes.
For the perfect
Yes.
dimensioning in your stat room. This is the only difference in your floor plan and your structure plan.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So now this is your homework to create a floor plan as per your choice.
Same
Okay.
as this drawing or
Sorry?
same as this drawing or different drawings.
Yeah, you can. Can I send you the different drawings?
Yeah.
Okay. In the civil, I can downloading from your Google image.
Okay.
So if you choose as per your convenient, you can choose from your Google Drive as well.
Okay.
So now if you want to, I can send you, then I also send you.
Okay, send us, sir.
Okay, I'm going to send you.
Okay.
Just wait.
We can also choose, no, sir.
Yeah, you can choose also. I'm sending those who are not choosing. So I sending this drawing. Right? This is your perfect. So this is your homework for tomorrow. Tomorrow is your holiday, dear.
Okay.